Alright, so today we're changing out my wheel studs because, like I said in the previous video, they got damaged. I don't know if you can tell from that.
Yeah.
It's pretty bad, but you know, whatever. Got the new wheel studs right here. So we're gonna fix it right now. So far, all we've done to get it here is we took off the wheel, obviously, and then we took off the brake caliper and we're about to take off the caliper bracket. Or not me, Zane.
I can figure out what size it is, probably.
You need a 17 for the bracket. Oh, this is a wheel. It looks all deformed and stuff because yeah, that's what happens to me. It's okay, because I don't really care. I don't really care about this wheel anyway, so whatever. That's the wheel I'm gonna throw back on. It's just the ones I have on the front.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. These are burners anyways.
Alright, caliper bracket's off, caliper's off.
Boom.
This will just come right off. I know sometimes it'll get rusted and like seized on here, so you might have to beat it with a hammer. Beat it on the center, don't beat it on the actual rotor part unless you're getting new ones. If you're getting new ones, great, whatever. But we're keeping these. This luckily just came right off. Didn't have no trouble with that. And these look fairly easy.
Yeah, all we have to
pop
do
them right out.
Hit it with the hammer.
Yeah.
Let's go do that.
Alright, let's go for it. Hit it! Hit it! Hit it!
Here, I'm gonna put it on ear.
Hit it!
My shit hurts.
This guy. Hit it! Look at this guy. Safety first over here. Where are your glasses at?
They're imaginary.
Hit it! Go, hit it. Hit it. There it is.
If you guys have a dad, just have your dad do it. It's way faster. Okay, don't mushroom the tip. Hit it straight on.
Yeah, don't be like John.
Yeah. Alright, so far me and Zane put these two wheel studs on. We decided these two to go. The way we press them in, we're going to show you real quick. It's probably not the best way to do it, but it's the only tools we have right now. We could take off the dust cap and then use a hammer to hammer these in, but you know, we're lazy.
Really, you don't even have to do this. For some reason on this, it's just not really grabbing.
Yeah.
But we're pretty much just pressing them in with a vise or
C-clamp.
C-clamp and a socket. We're pressing them in and then tightening them up with washers. Normally you can just put washers on there and open end or lug nut and just tighten it on and it should be good, but it's not working on here, so.
Yeah, it's because nothing's easy on the 240s. Yeah, in other words, don't buy a 240. In this case, I'm just using a 17 mil socket. I'm just placing it over the lug nut. It's long so that the threads don't get messed up, like it doesn't get sandwiched or mushroomed, whatever it's called. And then when you put this in, you want to make sure it's on there straight. This one was kind of crooked, but we're gonna see if we're able to fix it or not. And now all I'm doing is tightening it up. So I'm holding the C-clamp down with this hand and pushing down with this, so the C-clamp doesn't, do that.
We're not tightening down all the way with that because we did that the first time and it didn't really work out the best. That's why that one, first one we did looks a little bit crooked. But pretty much tighten them down so they snug up in there and they're not going to be spinning.
So this is in pretty straight, you can tell.
Yeah. See how that one went in. So it's in probably 80% of the way, something like that. Still a little more to go.
And usually we're just going to throw washers on here and then tighten the lug nut on there to bring it in more. And then you want to thread that on there, make sure it's tight.
Alright, so this is the method now. We were doing it wrong the whole time.
Yeah.
We're kind of stupid. If you noticed in the last clip, you probably saw that they weren't even seated all the way in.
Yeah.
Now if you look at them, they're pretty much in all the way. This is the last one. We just got a bunch of washers on there stacked. The last washers that we had on were catching on threads, so they ruined them.
Yeah.
And we weren't lined up with spline. But now they're
lined up.
Yeah, now they're going in.
Yeah, this spline right here, this is what we were not lining up. I don't know if the camera's going to focus it or not. But it wasn't lining it up, and now we are. So make sure you do that, and then we're just tightening with the lug nut until it's flush. As you can tell, this one's not flush. It still needs some room to go. But these other ones are flush. Yeah, it's kind of hard, but once you're able to do the first few, then it gets easy. Because I did the other three. Zane's doing this first or this last one, just so we can show it on video. But yeah, it's not that bad. It's pretty easy.
Yep.
Just keep going until it sits in flush, like the other ones. Okay, and that's it. Then you just take it off.
It should be good.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. See? Threads are still fine. We didn't mess up the threads or anything. The only thing you're gonna mess up is the first washer. That washer's stuck on the nut, but I mean, whatever. It doesn't matter. It's just a washer, anyways. Yeah. Then you throw the brake rotor back on. Throw
Caliper back on.
Caliper.
Yeah.
And that's it. Throw the tire back on. You're ready to shred. Okay.
So
It's
this
done.
shit box is done.
It's not that bad, bro. Come on, don't. That hurts my feeling. No, I'm kidding.
Everything should be good, maybe. We'll see. We'll find out once we take it to the track and wake it up, I guess.
Yeah.
It's never really had its legs stretched out, other than on the at Camp 1, but that's about it.
Oh yeah, but we haven't shown them that yet.
Yeah.
Me and Zan are gonna go shred later. Not today. Maybe another day. Anyways, yeah, I got matching tires now. Rims, I mean. It doesn't really matter.
The studs are nice and good. Everything's seated properly.
Yeah.
Second time around.
If you do it right, you're not gonna have any problems. Obviously, because you did it right. But me and Zane, we think we did it right. We're not sure.
They should be alright.
Yeah.
We timed the lug nuts on good.
Yeah. Honestly, if you do it right, it's not even. It's not that long of a job. Probably like a maybe hour job, 45 minutes.
I mean, you have to replace them. Usually, people don't replace like one.
Well, yeah. If you're replacing one, dude, you got time.
I mean,
it's easy.
Other people are just doing extended lugs, and those should pop right in.
Yeah.
You might have some trouble with the backing plate and shit. You might have to take that off if you get extended ones, but everything should be fine.
I hope you guys stuck around to the end. If you did, thank you for watching all the way to the end. We'll see you next time when either my piece of crap 240 or Zane's piece of crap 240 breaks on us.
I need a lot of shit for my car.
Yeah. Lower control arms. You need lower control arms.
I don't got time.
We had to do that this weekend, this upcoming weekend before park. We'll see. We're trying to, because his car is really wonky. He drives like this and not like this.
Don't tell him.
Sorry. I didn't tell you guys. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. We'll see you next time.
See you later.
Frick. Anyway.